town. Ticky titty, taking jack, getting tricky, smacking packs on snap. We put our town on the map. I keep it warm like Long Johns, I'm strong and on time. Many suckers were born to be on my one step forward, 21 steps back. None step forward and don't wanna get capped. It's time to mistreat them and beat them, stop them and drop them, don't need them, sneak them, use them, bruise them, and do them. Put something to them, then lose them. I'm taking jack, this rat. Real hip hop back, plus it's too strong, too black. I worn black colors for years, Punani lover for years. Jacking others for cheer, your mouth for macking mother of the year. Yeah, we come clear from peer to ear. Piece of ill town, knocking anywhere near. Hands up in the place, get a little taste of the bass. I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, so
Tell me on a face-to-face basis, wherever the place is, whatever your race is, your diss, I'm taking faces. Neck yoke, your neck braces. I go way back, like getting jacked for sneakers with fat laces. A hard rock from a hard block was always hard to stop the rock and harder to stop the spot. What we got, what we get, and you get what you got. If you rock the lip a lot, get the job. This rocks, so this jocks get stopped. Of the 1992 naughty new album that hits the spot. Step from Vince Place with the gym face, not an in-store, an in-whore. You keep the faith, I keep you in place. Picking on your weight, picking on your tape, sticking on your mate, getting all your papes. Hands up in the place, you get a little taste of the bass. I'm about to take it to your face.
yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, so tell your story. It's all your fault that this hard assault came up that quick. You ready, buddy, for an asphalt ass whip? And to the cops that harass me, kiss my ashy, hairy, hot, nasty ass like it's classy. You game lit, I'm on the same tip. You'll get your brain hit. That's all the respect that your name gets. Around these parts, we smart. Sneak the weak, the streets teach, nothing needs, so please start. So I can have you hanging by your heels. Drop me off top of the hill, so I can regroup and scoop up still. Fuck how you feel, get the bobo. Trying to judge real niggas with a phony baby photo. Trick, you should've kept your braces, cause man, I would've had it. And close your squeaky mouth with a magnet. You read a pre-written diss and find none care. While I'm sticking gobs of gum in your son's hair. Hands up in the place, get a little taste of the bass. I'm about to take it to your face, Yeah, I'm about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, about to take it to your face. Yeah, so tell your story, walking. I'm about to take it to your face. I'm about to take it to your face. About to take it to your face. So tell your story, walking.